Hello, I am a bee. Hello, bee. Please don't sting me. I'll only sting you if I get startled. So if you are calm, I will not sting. Then I shall remain calm. I am about to call your boss, though, and ask him for some pictures of his feet. What? Hey, that's my phone. Hello, Mr. Bossman. I was wondering if I could have sex with your grandmother's bird bath. No. Can you make sure your mother is there? I want to ask her why she smells like wet ham and is only attracted to racist geese. Stop that. Yes, I'll be in your office first thing tomorrow, but please don't wear anything blue or I'll get violently aroused. Bye now, you fish-molesting deviant. How are you doing now? Still calm? Wait a second. If you sting me, don't you die? Yes. Then why are you so keen to startle me to the point of stinging? The world is pain, and I seek the sweet release that comes with the reaper's kiss. Excuse me, but are you a goth bee?
Oh, everything is sticky because honey's everywhere. All I want is to sting people so I don't have to care.
If you're a goth bee suffering from depression, please call buzz 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 buzz. 'Cause you're a bee, you see. Really deep.